ngalawan mare amta namar balai dang hakini gisngi ngadang wansa limit sini ki pai ba tip ra badu tip bat kibun girang ba snong gitip how mat ngawan ba snong no ba snong mat ite kadang wan kendo ipiro ni ngala penbiang lut nadong sedong ikut Islam by day ke border asamit limit sini biar be uni kulit yang ada sengir ni tambah ngakam penbenai dengan madang sengi dan musim gejung Sofia banget tip ba beriu jongi syashot dia mana rumah itu bangin yale dah ke senam nginom pois nusno
Kade.
baile ngawan carcar borok sekata namar bakwa nga banbu api banbu bapi pinim sukta
Kade.
Kaya bade CRP hani ngalawan kendo chief minister chief hitrang chief bat CRP lali gi dem der ma do demanta matsun ligi tu mi segawai gijing baca dati ibru jong to tigini gijing ja gi baja komni gijing le don bor jongka kulit asam hagajing sisa hagajing yakran bora artli gi chief minister megalaya bat asam kalong ba namar barang don gajing baik put baik sam ai ba bora artli ngini imsuk Tinday gajing kali mentah galong balay asam ulit. Kuah apa nong yapi kini mentah long jai kisawan gitu di DSP jongi ki magistrate jongi kita don halanti tingin ya keren bat Indonesia bat long jai syua mentah. Long jai ngin ya keren daga ketin namar ba ladang yele daga bor daga jingi senam nginom pois nasional. Nginom pois nasional. Kikum ki parado ki parasenam habasyadat syasyo udo usnami hisau de mana rumah ngau hisau hisau nomor ile nang ruban suy keren daga ketin ile onco ondat ki burui dara cho dadat bi ki pulit jong ka megalia ki buru ka sam kumna sengoki ti de nomor kata mentang idon lang ni ini keren lang buat uni in charge. So what happened last night?
In border area, it is not kind of such type of politics or social activists should be enter here. Not kind of social activists should be enter here. It is only for security purpose. In border area, it should not be allowed. Here, no need of campaigning all these things. No need of campaigning. Unfortunately, it happens.
I'm one of the members in the committee.
It is actually for us. Actually for us.
I'm one of the member of the boundary committee.
It is for us. It is not.
I know better
here
than you.
No.
Because I am in the boundary committee.
According to us,
So
according to us, it is
just
our.
keep quiet. Let your additional
Here, no need to do such type of politician.
No.
Even we can talk about security purpose, security
Yes.
level. We can talk about. I have no right to talk with you. And also here, no need to discuss about all these things, politics. It is not the right time to do politics.
This is my responsibility.
It's
This
not
is
a responsibility.
My people.
It does not.
My
It is not
people.
responsibility.
all
It is
my
not
people.
responsibility.
This is all my
You will create such type of panic problem here. It is not irresponsible, huh? Politics coming here, it is completely. It is not a good thing. Yeah, you are politician and you are entering here.
But you also.
You are not my politician.
No.
You are not right to stay here. If I can talk with SP or DSP or OCIC.
This is my people.
How you can say that you are people?
This is all my people.
This is completely who will
All my people. All my people.
You never
No,
used to
all my people.
You just please come.
Don't say like that. No.
You just
I'll
please
stand
go.
here because I'm waiting
It is-
for
it
my
is not.
magistrate.
Yat
and all.
no
I'm
question.
waiting.
Yat politics no sole. Yat border area.
UMDC ka Mauhati constituency uba Charles Mangar tang mariyo jing tip halor ka jingja shak takti jong kilaingut kisamla khasi haki pulit asam ka balaja ka chnong umlaper ula hiar shakate ka chnong banwa jing tip batikna batru banyakren halor ka ne ka jingja bat ki pulit ka asam ha ka ne ka jinghiar jong UMDC ula yo banyakren badu SP ka Hamran West Karbi Anglong ha ka bala selalang ru da SP ka Riboy district ki deputy SP bat ki magister ka Riboy district bat ha ka ne ka jingakren layatai halor ka te ka jingja bat lasim no ya karai banyastuk ha pedeng kitu kisam basyak takti bat kipulit asam lasimru ya karai bat kipulit ka asam kinsio by the way ya gitu ki basyak takti bat ruban wang no ya khrop bat ka jakasyong jong kipulit asam na umlaper
Doning kong isko ban ay kulay ya superintendent of police jongi SP Belawan sini ba en lamare nangta i additional DC jongi i ba tongper nangta i magistrate jongi border magistrate ba Brahma nangta DSP jongi tiki officer gi bewan lang kini kapor bar khoj na police department iso ban ay kulay ki kumjuru yo SP jong ka Hamdan di ai kublai lang tingi kwa aban pentip EP kumne hadin ke jingi keren ba nakaliang jong SP jong ka Assam ro ula kongo banweng no ya kaniga gate bar banombo polis yo hang ni Beto, kang kawai padeng agar pat EP ipai ba no snong bai kila itip ba kadang don hapdeng jong jingi penbai put bai sambora artli ban megalia bat Assam kinamar kata nakaliang jong piru pidehi ban ban yai don akor don borom menmit menyong ro kirpat ikna samla menmit menyong pimde ban yai ban ikiat so namar ngindang penbai put bai samanta temdei ban yelek kelumar menmit menyong like setang ladon emergency bapang besitom so gimdei ban yelek kelumar te pi lek no siing song suk siing te nakaliang jongang ai kublai pi baro ba pi dong beslor ban yawan lang keding sengi ke jingi teli galong ka bor tengah ai kublai session pat police jongi adu SP badon borom jongi magistrate jongi border magistrate nang tai ADC jongi bat kumjuk nakaliang Assam DSP jongi i ba pawa bade in charge jong malos nai outpost ya ai kublai ki baro ki bala simkia banwan banyarap nag mentajung pi tinggi ai kublai ya pi baro ipai ba nang susnong dia lek sok no saying wat mi penmi jeng kelumar so kular em kumta to lek no saying tena kaliang jong police department jongi kila sutu ke ai bade banle te pi lek sok no saying tangkum ta kublai sikun tong adon hang ni ka snong omlope to mena step ha por kumba praba je layo jeng tip ba kadon gejing ya kelumar hang ni kadau jong gejing ya kelumar hang ni kedai Kajing don gini ke polis ang ni. I hagi tu bisngi gini ke CRP. Kilami no nang ni. Hadin kajing ekran. Baro arngot ki SP jong gari bahoy bat ke Hamran. Plus ru nakaliang jong ka sarkar jala jong iru kala simkhiai. Hadin kajing ekendo bat chief minister. Ini ke CRPF kilami no. Te haga bai dei bat kani ka jingjam daga sengi. Kali jano ba menemen met. Menemen met. Nakaliang jong ki pulit ki ba syong hang ni ki syok ya wei ukna kasi jong ki don arngot kali bad wei padeu de bala syak syok ko wei pat ko ki don hadot laingot ki ni ke jing syok ke jong ki kala penmi ke jing kelumar bad menem step dang step prawaje ngalayo ke jing tip bad ngawan hang ni menta bad ngalapoi na do mene ke por step si post deng tu bad ha ke jing poi jong ah ni ngai ibo pai ba nong song snong jong ni kilai teli snong ka pedeng telej ka umat bat ka laper kilai adon hang ni kilai pen prai kini ka gate ka basna do pulit jong ka Assam bat kilai atur hang ni kini ka yeng ka IB ka badon kini ki pulit jong ka Assam tena kaliang ka jonga nga pendam jor ye ka jingle jong ni ka pulit Assam bat kini ka jingle ka long illegal namar kat kum ka jingle kran baro arnut ki SP jong ka riboy bak Hamran kalong baya ka patrolling hi both side ngimla ban khan kami kalia jongi kala ban wan yai patrolling ka Assam kala ban yai patrolling namar ka disputed te henrei ke jingle jong ka Assam hang ni pade ban bu igni polis hang ni kalong illegal tingi ngok kemen ba mentang hadin ke jingwan ke jongi hang ni nakaliang SP jongi lapoi hang ni SP jong gari boy DSP bade in charge hang ni lapoi border magistrate jongi lapoi nang tade ADC jongi lapoi hang ni tingi so kemen bana kaliang jong police department nakaliang ka district administration jongi kila sim ye kani ka kam ka bakirki banwan sane dala dehi bat hadin ke jingwan ke jongki kila penbai kila ye keren hapdeng SP jongi bat SP jong ka Hamran Assam bat kila ye penbai bade banweng no sindan ni ka gate banado menta ka singi kani ka gate kam dan shu hang ni bat ye kini ki pulit ki basong hang ni ro kila de ban withdraw no bakin pha no bat menta kila ye song ye ki beding ki jongki ban lek phai no te ya mentah kalong tangkat ta te ke jingi keren hang ni kalong ke jingkir pat